The ball game is still on play. But that time around, what an attack that was from Donna.
Zaraspe, binigay sa gitna. De Leon says, not in.
From De Leon.
A 1-point lead.
One-man block.
From the right pin, but Almendralejo nandoon. De Leon, first point of the match.
Doon and immediately agad siyang umatras and asking for that quick attack.
Mosura with that off speed. But the defense here of the white shirts are working on the net.
De Leon with that discipline.
If they want to go back on this game, De Leon not turning in from the
serve para ma-disrupt yung first ball pattern ng Bacolod Taytong. Unfortunately, is unfazed by Donna De Leon. But this time, it's Donna De Leon again with that quick attack.
Serve, but also great pass.
And a better block from Donna De Leon.
5 points in the making para sa University of Batangas. De Leon scoring.
Good dig.
De Chavez entrusting. Third time around, still guarded at the net.
Good hustle from